Hello students, welcome to Sourav Sir's classes. The question is, what is the remainder when 3 to the power 256 is divided by 5? Option 1, 1, option 2, 2, option 3, 3, and option 4, 4. Now, using Fermat's theorem, if am is equal to 1, so a to the power 5m is equal to 1 mod m. Since 3 5 is equal to 1, therefore 3 to the power 5 5 is equivalent to 1 mod 5, that is 3 to the power 4 equivalent to 1 mod 5, or 3 to the power 4 whole to the power 64 is equivalent to 1 to the power 64 mod 5, or 3 to the power 256 is equivalent to 1 mod 5. Therefore, the remainder is 1 when 3 to the power 256 is divisible by 5. So, option 1 gives us the correct answer.